Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. My name's Lucy and today I'm going to take you around this approved used vehicle we currently have in stock. Here we have a Volkswagen Golf GT with a 2 litre, 150 brake horsepower, 7-speed DSG gearbox. Now this vehicle is finished in Urano grey and has 5 doors. You've also got the 17-inch Dijon alloy wheels to complement the rear tinted glass from the B-pillar backwards, giving it that extra sporty appearance. I'm going to take you around the vehicle now and just show you a couple of features that the car has to offer, starting off in the boot. Now, as you'd expect from a Golf, you've got absolutely plenty of room in here, perfect for shopping trips or suitcases. Into the back of the vehicle, you'll notice that this car comes with full cloth upholstery with the various suede inserts on the outer seats. Into the driver's side, you've got your full leather multifunctional steering wheel, front and rear electric window switches, electric door mirrors and central locking, Discover navigation, as well as App Connect to connect your mobile phone to the vehicle for your own media and communication, front and rear parking sensors that are audible and visual, climate control, and here is your DSG gearbox. Call us now on 01270 50 70 50 for more information on this vehicle.